Hi, welcome to the History of Schooling course. My name is Suzanne Arnold. I'm one of the instructors on the course, and Chris Garcia is the other instructor. I would like to take a little bit of your time to kind of explain how the course works and just introduce you to the structure of the Canvas shell. All right, first, this course is going to be a little bit different probably than many of your online courses. In that you really are only need to interact with the instructor. We are not having any threaded discussions in this. You have sets of assignments that you're going to work through. You work through them on your own. You must keep up with the pace of the course though, but it's largely independent work. That being said, at the top, when you log into Canvas on the home page, at the top are 4 discussion threads, and we could add more as we go through the course. The first is one for if questions pop up for you, instead of emailing us directly, please post them in this, and we will monitor this and post responses, and other students can look at them because they might have the same questions, and it just saves us from having to say things over and over again. So post your questions about the course assignments here. We're going to use an application called Padlet. It's an online corkboard or discussion board. You're going to have your own Padlet account in the Aspire backpack. And this is a discussion area where you will have to post. And what you'll post is a link to your Padlet so that other folks in your section can see your Padlet, see what you're doing and the ideas and thoughts that you're having, and you get to see others. And we just thought it would be a nice thing for you to be able to see other folks. The other thing is there's going to be a discussion on book study ponderings, and so they'll have a separate discussion thread within each one of these for each book. So if you're reading Joel Spring's book and there's just something that popped up for you, or you had a question about, or you're like, holy cow, I can't believe I just read this, go in and share in here, and your other folks reading Joel Spring can see that. Your ponderings. And then this is questions or connections that you have related to critical pedagogy constructs. Nearly everybody in this course is in a critical pedagogy MA. Some of you are not, but it's really important for us as instructors for the critical pedagogy MA to make sure that you're grappling and getting support around your ideas and constructs related to critical pedagogy. And so this is an area that you can do this. The only area that is required is right here, the Padlet link that you have to post to. Helpful resources for the course. One of the resources that will get loaded in here very shortly is a video on how to use the Auraria Campus Library online, as well as using Google Scholar and the Google Scholar Chrome app for quick citations, accurate citations in APA format. So that video will show you how to do that, because there is some research that you're going to need to do for this course. Then it's just following through step by step. Each week 1 has a set of framing questions. Each segment of sessions is around different questions. You'll have an essential question for the course, which is rooted in critical pedagogy and looking at power and subjugation of individuals and groups throughout history of schooling in the United States. And then a guiding question as well for each portion of the course. So you literally just work right through each of these until you get to the end. There is a quiz at the end of the first session on the videos. And that's just a pass-fail quiz just to check to make sure that you've got the understanding that we expected that you get on that. The course is kind of, you have a segment of website exploration and documentary that go together, and then you'll see here in weeks 2 and 3 you're starting your book study, and you'll have 2 weeks to read half your book and complete your book study response, and I'll have a separate video that talks specifically about the expectations for that. Then week 4 we're back to the website and video exploration and updating your Padlet. Week 5 and 6 we're back to the book study. And then weeks 7 and 8, we're doing a litigation exploration into case law. Here's a little practice quiz on the school law. It doesn't count. It's just simply to hopefully give you some ideas of some of the different law. You're going to be looking at law through the whole course, but just in case you wanted to kind of take a look at that and get some ideas about the litigation that you might want to take a look at. So that's the setup of the course. If you have any questions as we move through the course, we would prefer that you use the inbox feature in Canvas to email your instructor instead of emailing us directly through our CU Denver email accounts, okay? I know that some of you are used to doing that, but if you could please use the Canvas account email system or inbox system, that would be great. You have any questions, put them right here in the questions about the course. We look forward to working with you.